In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Notion with Gmail. This integration is a fantastic way to streamline your workflow and make managing tasks and information more efficient. Whether you want to keep track of important emails, organize notes seamlessly, or ensure nothing slips through the cracks, combining these tools can be a real game changer. So, let's dive right in and walk through the process together. First, we'll start by opening your Notion workspace. Once you're in, you'll want to navigate to the settings. This can usually be found in the top right-hand corner of the screen, represented by a gear icon or a similar symbol. Clicking there will open a new menu with a variety of options. This is essentially your command center in Notion, where you have various controls over your account and settings. Once you've accessed the settings menu, direct your attention to the section labeled Connections. Clicking on this option will help you manage how Notion interacts with other tools and applications. This is the key place you'll want to be when you're looking to set up your Gmail integration. Now in the Connections section, you'll see a search bar or a list of available apps and integrations you can connect with Notion. Here, type in the word Gmail. As you start typing, you should see Gmail appear as an option. The functionality you're unlocking here will bridge Notion and Gmail, allowing them to communicate and share information seamlessly. After finding Gmail in the list, select it. You'll likely be prompted to authenticate and confirm the integration. This is where you'll officially connect your Gmail account with Notion, so ensure you're comfortable with the permissions being granted. This step is crucial to confirm that Notion can access your Gmail data as necessary for optimal functionality. Following the integration process, you might be required to log into your Gmail account. Make sure you've got your login details ready. You may also be asked to allow Notion access to your emails, so be sure you read through any permission requests carefully. It's vital to understand that granting access ensures Notion can help you manage emails directly from your Notion workspace. Once you've authorized and set up the connection, Notion and Gmail are now integrated. From here on, you can start utilizing this powerful combination to manage emails, tasks, and schedules more efficiently within Notion. Remember, integrating Notion with Gmail isn't just about convenience. It allows you to create a more coherent system for tracking and handling information, ultimately helping to boost productivity. If at any point you need to adjust the settings or permissions, you can revisit the connection section in your settings to modify your preferences. There you have it. You've successfully integrated Notion with Gmail, extending the functionality of both platforms. Enjoy the enhanced productivity and seamless task management in your daily routine.